Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create budget planner on Google Sheets. Without further ado, let's get started. For example, you wanna track your income right here. Now, let's type the word income. Now, let's put the income from, for example, from our work. And gonna add paycheck 1 and then paycheck 2. And now for example, the amount you have for paycheck 1 is 2000, and same for paycheck 2. And now for the total, the formula for this is equals sign and then sum, open parenthesis, and then drag the paycheck 1 and 2 and then enter. Now it will automatically compute the total of the both paycheck. Now go to format and then change its currency to dollars. You can choose between currency or currency rounded, which is I'm gonna go with currency. Now, for example, you also have other income besides your work. For example, you have a side jobs. Just gonna put your side job. And then, for example, you have a client from Upwork. Put the client 1. And then client 2. Now, if you also have a TikTok affiliate, for example, we're gonna put it here. Now, for example, you make about $150 and $200 for client 2, and for TikTok affiliate for about $50. And now for the total, we're gonna do the same, equal sum. Now it automatically select from client 1 to TikTok affiliate. Now it will automatically compute the total for the side jobs. Now go to format and then change it to currency right here. Now, for example, you also have other business. Now, if you have, for example, a rental property, and then you also have a food stall. And for the rental property, you'll make for about $900, and for the food stall, a $1,000. Now for the total of your business income, just do the same thing. Equals and then sum. Now open parenthesis and then drag the rental property and the food stall. Now click enter, and as if you can see, it will give us the total of the both. Now go to format and then change it again to currency. And now for the overall total of your income, we're just gonna put overall total. And then let's adjust this column right there. Now what you're going to do is type equal sum and then select the total for your work and then comma. Select the total for side jobs, then comma, and then the total for your business, and then click enter. As you can see, it will give us a total for the different types of your income. You can also design this table if you want. I'm just gonna merge this cells, make it center, and then change its size, the bigger one. I'm just gonna also merge this and then center. Same thing for side jobs and business. Now, after that, you can add also a border. Just drag all of the entire section, then select this one. You can choose different borders from there. Now this time, let's add some colors. Now we're done with the income part. Let's go to the monthly budget. Let's type here monthly budget. Now here we have expense category. Now let's adjust that. And then here we have a target budget. Let's also adjust that one. And here we have a actual expense. I got it wrong here. It should be a actual expense, not actual budget. Now we just have to adjust this one. And then this is the difference between the target budget and the actual expense. Now here we have, for example, rent or mortgage. Here we have the utilities, then groceries. We also have transportation, for example, and then dining out, then entertainment, and lastly we have savings. Now for example, for our target budget for rent, we have a $1,500. Here we have $200. And for groceries, we have $300. And for transportation, we have a $150. For dining out, maybe $100. For entertainment, we have $50. And for savings, we have $500. And for the actual expenses, for example, we have a $1,600 actual expense for rent, and for utilities we have 220. Here we have 320, and then for transportation we have $140. For dining out we have $120, and for entertainment we have 60, and for savings we have $480. Now what we're going to do here in difference, let's put this formula equal sign, and then select the target budget, and then minus actual expense, and then click enter. Now we just have to autofill this part. If you don't have a autofill selection, just drag this up to the end, and then just like that it will take effect to the entire section. Now select the entire section, then change its format to currency. Now let's add the total for each section, equals, then sum, and select the entire section of the target budget, and then same goes here. Let's drag its row to take effect, and then just like that it will give us the total of these different sections. Now what we're going to do is let's compute for this disposable income. Now type equals, and then select the overall total of your income, and then minus the total of your target budget, and then click enter, and then do the same thing to the actual budget. And now we have the total for our disposable income for the month. Now what we're going to do is select the section of the difference, and then go to format, then go to conditional formatting. Now select this to greater than, and then enter 0, and then don't change the green color. Now add another rule, and this time let's change this to less than, and then select 0, and then change it to color red. Now those above 0 will turn green, and those below 0 will turn red. And now we're done with this table. What we're going to do now, if you want to add, for example, you add some expenses to this part, what we're going to do is change its formula to equal sum, and then select your previous expense. For example, you add additional $20 for utilities, and then just click that. It will give us the total for that. Now let's do it again. Let's do it with just double click, and then type equal sum. Now your previous actual expense, and then your additional expense, which is $20, and then enter, and then that's it. Now we're done with this. We're just going to if you want to design this part, I'm just gonna merge this and then make it center. Now change its size to a bigger one. Also center this. And I'm gonna make this bold. Now we can add some borders. Now after that, we can also change its color. Now I want to change its font to a Bookman old style. Now another thing is you can add some notes to your actual expenses. Just right click to your mouse and then insert note. Now you can type there. For your entertainment, you go to watch movies, for example. For example, also you go to museum. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.